Welcome to the Easy China Prof and MedKaizen. We are very proud to announce our new digital product, MyCompliance E-Learning of Medical Device Global. After so many remote and on-site webinar and training, we want to share regulatory knowledge with broad audience in terms of Chinese and global registration of medical device and in vitro diagnostic. Here are the topics with which you can be familiar to the e-learning program. The scope of MyCompliance, Chinese and global regulation of medical device with video and case study. The e-learning is for all level of regulatory interested person who want to learn, improve and up to date with strengthened Chinese regulation and global compliance. MyCompliance is not typical commercial one by participants self-learning. It has many interactive elements with supervisor and current case study. Be surprised by leaning unique features of MyCompliance. There are two kinds of We want to share all knowledge with you, from basic regulation, technical documentation, and quality management to post-market of global registration of medical device. Besides, we want to share common and differentiate global regulation in EU, US, Brazil, Taiwan, and so on. You can learn from lecture article, videos anytime. With test and lecture work, you have guaranteed proof of learning subjective. For professional participants, we can meet anytime upon your demand. We wish at the end of e-learning, you can have well-equipped regulatory skills for next career. There are 4 learning topics. In term regulation, it is made of basic knowledge in topic 1 and into details in topic 2 for registration and post-market. At topic 3, we introduce other important global markets like EU, US, Brazil, and Taiwan. The last topic is about how to master regulatory soft skills will be underscored and practiced. In the global compliance, you can choose your favorite market between Europe, US, Japan, Brazil, ASEAN, Singapore, and Malaysia. You will learn basic legislative, product classification, registration pathway, and post-market activities. At case study, you have to overcome a regulatory task with one-to-one coach. So are you familiar with regulatory language or had global registration experience? It doesn't matter. The MyCompliance e-learning is applicable for all interested person, a student, no regulatory person, and even no medtech personnel. We have also demanding contents and lecture work for junior and senior regulatory affairs manager. You will be impressed outside the daily project by diverse sessions. If you are experts in European and American regulatory, you will have a unique advancement. How interesting. Here is one example of lecture. In this lecture you gain an overview, how to register medical device in China. You can read article, watch video, follow test and lecture work dedicated to this topic. We often compare with other markets. So you have sufficient resource to expand the regulatory need. Visit session. We might all have different levels of education. The regulatory work is a science to study and often ignored. We make efforts to shed light on this fantastic field with unique features. You can ask your own supervisor any question and even bring the cases from the field with our expert opinion. We will generate many valuable templates to make regulatory affairs reproducible. If you were in professional module, we can challenge you with lecture work with even a final certificate only if you pass tests. We have 2 types of e-learning. It is valid for 1 year anytime when you want to start MyCompliance e-learning. With standard module, you could choose 3 sessions and have less interaction with supervisor. With professional, with individual choice of 5 sessions, you get extra free templates, lecture work examined, update of Chinese regulation, and more free meetings with supervisor. Are you exited to join MyCompliance? Concerns? Contact us for a chat. In any case, we learn each participant in a personal meeting at the beginning and upon demand regularly. We want to make Chinese and global compliance uncomplicated and enjoyable. We look forward to your active and successive participation of MyCompliance.